Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Audrey. I'm a skincare junkie. I have my degree in biology and I love chatting about skincare ingredients. Today I'm going to show you guys my lazy girl nighttime skincare routine, so let's get started. I am so lazy at the end of the day that it's a miracle I even do these 3 steps, but I take my skincare very seriously, so I start with a cleanse. This may be an unpopular opinion, but I do not do a double cleanse. So I have found a cleanser that makes my pores squeaky clean without over drying my face and it takes off all of this makeup. And it turns out I am not the only one who likes this cleanser because it recently became the #1 prestige cleanser in the US. It is the Tula Cult Classic Cleanser. This is a gel-based cleanser that ultimately makes you feel squeaky clean without over drying your face. The gel formulation is good for all skin types, even oily. This formula has probiotic and prebiotic extracts that help to support a healthy skin barrier by supporting a thriving microbiome. To improve your skin's texture and to help smooth, turmeric, white tea, and blueberry are infused. These are ingredients that have both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, so they're great to use even if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. This is clean, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, and definitely worth a try if you are lazy like moi. Your girl has some dry lips, and this lip balm from Image is a non-negotiable in my nighttime routine. I have literally been using this since 2018. I worked at a dermatology clinic, and all of the cosmetic patients were buying this, and I had to see what the hype was about, and I have literally never stopped purchasing this since. It is infused with avocado oil and vitamin E to soothe dry lips, and I am not kidding you, nothing compares to the moisture that this gives. My lips are so smooth at all times. Also, it has plumping effects using a polypeptide complex to give you that nice full look without the burning or tingling sensation. Go read the reviews for yourself. In the reviews, people are saying it's even better than Laneige. It's amazing. I will say that I prefer to use this at nighttime because I feel like it wipes off rather quickly during the daytime since it's not super sticky, but at nighttime I'm not talking, eating, or licking my lips, so it stays on all night and I wake up with nice juicy lips. This is clean and cruelty-free. I finally found an all-in-one anti-aging product that helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, reduce pore size, reduce texture, and even out my skin tone. It is Beauty Bio's R45 The Reversal. This is a patented 3-phase retinol night cream that is a lazy girl's dream. This is basically a 45-day deep-release retinol treatment that works in 3 phases, increasing in concentration with each phase. So basically your skin can ease its way into the retinol use without the harsh side effects that can come with higher concentrations, and while avoiding the plateau that can happen with singular concentrations. Let's do a 30-second science lesson. Some important proteins in the skin that may sound familiar to you are elastin and collagen. Elastin and collagen help your skin's elasticity, structure, and strength. The degradation of these 2 proteins can lead to sagging and wrinkles. Proteins are made up of peptides, which explains why having peptides in your skincare routine can help with anti-aging. This has a serum made up of peptides that helps to strengthen your skin's proteins like elastin and collagen, which in turn helps your skin retain moisture and be more resilient against environmental aggressors that can cause aging. This product also contains citric acid, which helps to reverse sun damage like dark spots by helping your skin with collagen production. And lastly, it is infused with safflower seed oil, which helps to diminish and prevent breakouts, all while helping with moisture retention. It is even safe for use around the eye area, and it is clean and cruelty-free. I use retinol as a preventative measure because it is much easier and cheaper to prevent now rather than to pay for damage control in the future. I work in skincare every day, and I cannot tell you how many times older women have told me that one of their best kept beauty secrets is the continuous use of retinol for years. Big shout out to Beauty Bio for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for trusting in me and my honest opinions on my sponsored content. Sometimes I can't believe that I get to work with amazing brands like them. The final step is hydration, and because I have dry skin, I never skip this step. If you have oily skin, you can use a lightweight gel moisturizer or possibly skip this step. It's really important to listen to your skin and its needs on the daily. Because R45 Reversal is literally an all-in-one product, I don't necessarily need a moisturizer with all the bells and whistles. I personally want to focus on surface level hydration and deep hydration, so I use this moisturizer from Biossance that has omega fatty acids and ceramides. Let's have another 30-second science lesson. We love ceramides in our skincare routine because they help keep your skin's moisture barrier at a healthy equilibrium by forming a barrier alongside fatty acids that help hold in moisture in your skin. If your skin's moisture barrier gets damaged and it's not as strong, that's one way that you can get moisture loss. And moisture loss is not so pleasant for your skin. For example, if you're using your skincare and you kind of feel like it's sitting on top of your skin as opposed to soaking in, or if you're using a moisturizer every single day and you're still not feeling deeply hydrated, you may want to consider implementing ceramides into your skincare routine because ceramides can lead to skin that is plump, firm, and smooth. This also contains hyaluronic acid, which is a water-loving humectant that gets into your skin, attracts water molecules, in turn helps your skin retain more moisture and plump it up. Lastly, this moisturizer contains squalane, which sounds very similar to squalene. Squalene is a fat that is produced by our sebaceous glands that helps to moisturize our skin and protect its barrier from free radical damage, kind of acting as a natural antioxidant. Unfortunately for us, squalene production in the body slows down significantly around the age of 30. Squalene was previously derived from shark liver, which was pretty inhumane, so scientists finally found a way to derive a molecular match from plants. Biossance derives squalene from sugarcane, which is sustainable, effective, and earth-friendly. This is clean, vegan, fragrance-free, and cruelty-free. To summarize, I cleanse with the probiotic and prebiotic extract cleanser that is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial and helps with texture. I then use my moisturizing vitamin E, avocado oil, and polypeptide plumping lip balm. I keep my skin youthful with my all-in-one cream that contains retinol, peptides, citric acid, and safflower seed oil that all work together to help my skin reduce fine lines and wrinkles, even out texture, even out skin tone, and reduce my pore size. I then lock it all in with a moisturizer that contains ceramides, omega fatty acids, hyaluronic acid, and squalane to provide a deep hydration and to maintain and protect my skin barrier. And I got all of that from just 4 easy steps, an easy peasy, lemon squeezy, lazy girl skincare routine. I will link all of the products in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next time.